everyone, Nick here, your head of operations here at the Virtual Hub. I'm excited to welcome you to our new office space here at the 7th floor KMC Lexmark Plaza 3. Yes, it's the same building, but it's a much bigger and more dynamic space. This move represents something really important for us. It represents the growth we've achieved as an organization, and even more importantly, the growth we're continuing to aim for. So this new space is designed to support that vision, more opportunities, more collaboration, and more room for all of you to thrive. Alright, let's get started with the tour. First, we're here at the entrance hall where our reception area is located. To access the main workspace, we use a biometric system for security and convenience. Don't worry. Our admin and facilities lead, Carla. Hi, Carla.
Hi, Nick. Hi, everyone.
We'll make sure you're properly enrolled so you can move in and out seamlessly. From here, let's head into the heart of the office, the production floor. Welcome to our production floor. We currently have 107 workstations in this space. At the moment, we have 22 occupied, but we're steadily filling it up as we continue bringing in more amazing talent here to join at the Virtual Hub. Each workstation is equipped with two 24-inch monitors and high-spec system units, ensuring that every support assistant has the tools they need to deliver top-tier service to our clients. You'll also find our results coach workstations here on the floor, making it easier for quick check-ins, coaching, and day-to-day support. And if you're part of the Morning Larks, you'll likely get to see and connect with our CRA, our on-site results coach, who is here to support and guide the team throughout the day. Hi. You'll also notice that within the production floor, there are dedicated space for quick check-in, coaching, and conversation. These areas are designed to make collaboration easier, whether it's a quick sync with your results coach or a team discussion. Next, we have our training area. We've allocated 6 workstations specifically for training, creating a focused environment for learning and development. This is also where Dewey, our training content lead, hi Dewey, will be holding regular sessions and meeting the trainees on a weekly basis. As we move further down, you'll see that the production floor extends all the way in the back. A part of this area will be utilized by our internal support teams, providing them with a dedicated space to collaborate and operate efficiently. In the future, we also are looking to expand this section further to accommodate more on-site support assistance as we continue to grow. You'll also notice a dedicated nook area. This space is designed to be flexible and open for everyone. It can be used for quick moments of relaxation, informal catch-ups, or even light activities that help you reset during the day. Whether you need a short break, a change of scenery, or just a quiet corner to pause and recharge, this nook is here for that purpose. Now let's check the meeting rooms. We have 2 meeting rooms available for all-day access. These are perfect for private conversations, whether it's coaching sessions, performance discussions, or even just a quiet space to connect with your results coach or immediate head. Right here is our manager's room. A dedicated space for our leadership team to collaborate and align on operations and strategy. So now I'm going to show you more of the spaces outside the production floor. So this is our locker If you wish to get one, feel free to talk to Carla and arrange the fees. And of course, everyone's favorite spot, the pantry. We've got a more comfortable setup here with dining tables, chairs, and microwave for your daily needs. Plus, coffee is free-flowing, so we'll also be providing a coffee machine so you can enjoy more freshly brewed coffee anytime. And yes, some things don't change. Waffle Mondays and Ice Cream Fridays are still on, so you can definitely look forward to those. And now, here's something new and exciting. Our resting lounges, so one for female and male. Whether you're on lunch break, before your shift, or after your shift, this space is designed for you to recharge. If you need a quick nap or just a moment to rest, this is your go-to spot. And finally, we have our conference room. This is where we'll be holding leadership meetings, business reviews, and client visits. So we're also excited to use this space for on-site engagement events. Keep an eye out for announcements via collab and bugboard. And that wraps up our tour. So this new office is just about having a bigger space. It's about creating an environment where everyone can collaborate better, grow faster, and feel more connected as part of the virtual hub. We're truly excited about what this space means for all of us. And if you're interested in working on site, just reach out to your Souls coaches and we'll be happy to arrange that for you. And as we continue to grow together, here's something to remember. Great spaces don't just build productivity, they build possibilities. See you in the office!